In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GooseMod on Discord. Before we begin, a quick heads up. GooseMod only works with the desktop Discord app, not the browser version, and you should always download it from the official site to keep your system secure. First, make sure the official Discord application is installed on your computer. If you've been using Discord in a web browser, download the desktop app from the official Discord website and sign in. GooseMod integrates with that desktop client, so having it installed and ready is essential. Keep in mind that anything running in a browser won't load GooseMod. Next, go to the official GooseMod website to download the installer. Choose the version that matches your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. Avoid third-party mirrors, file-sharing sites, or links in random videos. Using only the official download helps you steer clear of outdated or modified installers and reduces the risk of malware. When the download is complete, it's time to install. On Windows, fully close Discord first. If it's still running in the system tray, right-click the Discord icon and select Quit, so it shuts down completely. Then run the GooseMod installer you downloaded. It will automatically detect your Discord installation, so you can simply click Install. When the installer finishes, reopen Discord like you normally do. On Mac OS, close Discord before you start. Open the GooseMod installer file, and if your Mac prompts you for permissions, allow them so the installation can continue. You may see a security prompt asking you to confirm you trust the app or to authorize with your system password. If your Mac directs you to security and privacy to open it anyway, approve that prompt. Once the installation is complete, restart Discord to load the changes. Now let's verify everything inside Discord. Open Discord, go to User Settings, and scroll down the left sidebar until you see GooseMod. Open that section. From there, you can access the plugin store or theme store. If you can see GooseMod's settings page and those stores load, your installation was successful and GooseMod is active. From here, you can explore plugins and themes to customize your experience. Read the descriptions, install only what you trust, and add changes gradually so it's easier to spot any issues. If something behaves unexpectedly, return to the GooseMod section in settings to review what's enabled. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, use only the official downloads, and you'll have GooseMod set up on Discord in just a few minutes.